Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to customize text and fonts in Snappa. To customize text and fonts in Snappa, follow these steps. Start by logging into your account and open the project you want to work on. You can create a custom design from here, or you can use the existing template from here. If you want to add new text, click on the text tab on the left menu, which is right here. Choose from heading, subheading or body text option and click on the one you need to add it to your canvas. If you are editing existing text, simply click on the text box in your design. With the text box selected, go to the font drop-down menu at the top of the browser Snappa collection of fonts. Click on any font to instantly apply it to your text. Experiment with different fonts to find one that best suits the mood or style of your design. It includes variety of font style from classic to modern and decorative. Use the font size option to increase or decrease your text size. You can do it by either entering a specific size in the box or using the slider. To change the color of your text, click on the color palette icon. You can choose from Snappa preset color, enter a specific hex code. You can choose from Snappa preset color, or you can also make the custom color by yourself. Snappa offers text effects like shadows, outline and transparency. Toggle the shadow option to add depth in your text, making it stand out from the background. Lower the transparency for text effect blending in into your background. You can use the alignment position left, center or right to adjust text placement within the text box. You can drag the text box around the canvas to position it wherever it best fits your design. Once you are happy with the text customization, preview your design to ensure everything looks cohesive. By following these steps, you can create professional-looking text customizations in Snappa. This enhances your design overall impact and readability. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.